Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and ever since I acquired this MacBook Pro 2018, I have been so happy to use it. It's definitely been an amazing journey because there are just so many things that I love about this laptop. And it's been so useful to me because I've used it for work, I've used it for school. Basically, I use it for absolutely everything, and it's functioned super well for every single thing that I've had to do. One of the things that I love the most about this laptop is its design. As you can see, this laptop is absolutely beautiful. Whether you're using it or carrying it around or whether you just have it on your desk, it just looks super nice. And also, it is very lightweight, so it is easy to carry around without a problem. One of my favorite features about this laptop is the touch bar. The touch bar is super convenient because you can access things in a more quick and efficient manner. So, for example, one of the things that you can find at the touch bar is a way in which you can adjust the volume, you can adjust the light of the screen, and you can also access Siri. And one really, really cool feature that the touch bar also has is that it has a fingerprint sensor with which you can unlock your laptop. So that makes using your laptop even more safe because you know that you're going to be the one who's going to have access to it. And I am really, really happy that I acquired this MacBook Pro 2018. And that is my point of view.